Stand up. Okay, we got a mess of wires in here. That's for sure. Okay, let's see. So basically, all I really have to do is unwire my main voltage and unscrew it, and it should slide on out of here. Alright.
The Civic SI hatchback.
Alright, got that unscrewed. This should pull right on out now, guys. Alright, let's get our new one slid in. Alright. Plug back in. Alright, now all I got to do is put my main high voltage wires back on and wire back up this transformer. Y'all may notice, guys, I have two transformers. This transformer right here is its sole purpose is to power this zone board. Somebody put the cover on upside down. But a zone board should solely be powered by its own transformer. Just for those that didn't know that. So, all right, we're gonna finish wiring this. We should be about done. I just noticed, guys, and I have this in correctly, but the terminal block is flipped the other way on this one. I just now noticed that, but I think my wires are still going to be able to reach. So get my transformer wires put in there. Okay, get that tight. Loosen it up just a little bit. This tight. All right, about good to go. We just got to test it. All right, let's power it back up. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. That ended up not fixing the problem. Unfortunately, that problem was misdiagnosed by the previous technician. I put the new strips in and plugged the disconnect in, and they came right on. Both thermostats off, system completely not calling, and the strips came on with the blower. And to come to find out, we was getting a call from the defrost control board outside when we shouldn't have, and we narrowed it back down to that and ended up having a bad defrost control board. So that's unfortunate. That one was misdiagnosed, but we will be returning with a new defrost control board and fixing that one. I hate that happened, but life goes on. We just got to get a new board and correctly fix it. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my video, and we'll see y'all in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.